Today I'm going to show you how to design your very own Rube Goldberg machine. If you're new to my channel, please support me by liking this video and be sure to stick around and check out the other amazing art videos and art lessons on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art. And please subscribe. Rube Goldberg was an American author, cartoonist, inventor, and engineer who lived from 1883 to 1970. He is famous for his complicated and absurd machine designs, which he called Rube Goldberg Machines. People other than Rube Goldberg have continued to design these machines, and even if they aren't designed by Rube Goldberg, they're still called Rube Goldberg Machines. These machines are comically designed to perform a very simple task in a very complicated way, such as water a plant, crack an egg, turn off a light switch, remove sand from your shoe, water the lawn, remind you to mail a letter, or open a window. These machines use an array of everyday objects and mechanical devices to set off a chain reaction. A popular spin-off of these machines is the Mousetrap board game. Rube Goldberg machines continue to be popular today and are used as a form of entertainment and education. Their creativity, ingenuity, and humor make us laugh and inspire us to think outside the box. One last thing, if you haven't already seen it, be sure to check out OK Go's YouTube music video, This Too Shall Pass, to see a real-life Rube Goldberg machine in action. I just finished brainstorming the different components of my Rube Goldberg machine, and now I'm going to walk you through it. I'm starting with some toast inside a toaster. Then, when the toast pops up, it's going to hit this shelf, which will cause this tennis ball to fall and hit this teeter-totter style catapult, which is going to cause this trophy to fall off this bookshelf that it's sitting on and fall all the way down and land in this bucket, which is hanging on a string. The top of the string is attached to the top handle of these scissors. So when the bucket falls, it's going to pull on the scissor handle and cause the scissors to cut the string. A knife is hanging on the string that is suspended on a chain that's hanging from the ceiling. When the string gets cut, the knife will fall and pop this balloon, which is attached to these joints, which connect to a spring. So when the balloon pops, it's going to agitate the spring and bump the shelf. The bowling ball that is balancing on the shelf will then roll off and roll down this ramp. The bowling ball will hit this shoe, which is attached to a hinge. This will cause the shoe to kick this fishbowl, and when the fishbowl gets kicked, the goldfish will get startled and leap out of the fishbowl and then land inside this cup of water. The added weight of the fish in the cup of water will cause the on button underneath the cup to get pushed. This will turn the fan on. The air from the fan will cause this sailboat to blow across the pan of water. The boat will fall over the edge and land on this rope. This will cause the baseball bat to swing, which will hit the tin can that's hanging on a string. The tin can will go flying through the air and will bump into the row of dominoes sitting on this shelf. The dominoes will fall down and the final domino will fall off and land on this catapult. This will cause the egg inside the catapult to go flying through the air and hit this tire, which will then roll across the shelf and bump into this hammer, which will then hit the on button on the hairdryer. The heat from the hairdryer will melt this string, and when the string breaks, This broom will fall onto this teeter-totter catapult and will cause these bananas to fly up into the air and hit the marble, which will then roll across the shelf and fall into this winding funnel. The marble will fall out of the funnel and land on this ramp. It will roll off the ramp and hit the play button on this iPad, which will then play music. So that's my Rube Goldberg machine. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Once you're done drawing, you can color it in if you like, using whatever colors you want. Then, once you're all done coloring, I recommend going back with either an ultra-fine Sharpie or a black colored pencil and outlining the objects in your drawing. This will make everything pop out and look really cool. I hope you love how your drawing turns out. Please be sure to say hi in the comments below and check out the other amazing art tutorials and art lessons on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.